check this shit out. Yeah. How you guys doing today? Hope everyone's having a good day. But yeah, you know, we're just doing a little cruise, baby. Cruise action up in the ditch. Yeah, fuck you, man. Harley riders, man, I tell you, it's their problem, man. No, I'm just kidding. Ride safe, bro. God, I just feel the need for fucking speed. Like I feel like dragging knee right now, you know? What the fuck is that? Shee! Is that a Murcielago? Shee, goddamn! That's the second Lambo I've seen today. Shit, noise. That thing was not. It was older, but it's nice. I'll take it all day. God, dude, these gloves. I tell you what, boy. These gloves. Stay the f down. I think that was a Murcielago. It was an older one, but it was nice. Skirt. Fuck. Come on, Volkswagen. Get that ass in gear, boy. Oh, fuck. My turn signal's still on. Shit. You ain't seen none. It's so nice out today. Ain't capping. Ay, ay, ay. Well, what a great ride this is, you know. Sunday skate. Oh my gosh, what are you doing? Oh, pass them. Oh my gosh. It's just so fun. I'm having such a blast right now. Dude, like really? Come on, bro. Oh, I can't. Dude, that's the most annoying thing as a rider. So when there's fucking people going like 20 in a fucking 35, dude. Yeah. So you either gotta pass them or you gotta pull over. Yeah, I know. I'm telling the people. I like to move it. I like to. Come on, my nuts are roasting out here, mate.
Ready?
Been ready. yeah. Should become a stunt rider. Oh my, and yeah, and if you're not stuck behind a Jeep, stuck behind a Honda Civic or fucking Prius, one of the three. See, I would pass them, but you know, we with the fam. Yeah. Fuck yeah. Ooh, bah. You hear that shit? Oh yeah. Ride safe, brother. Brother. No shot. Did we actually catch up to the same dude? No, it's not, but I don't know, maybe I just like to go fast. I think that's it. Yeah, that's definitely it. Oh yeah, you just... It's not. It's not, but he said YOLO. This whole video is just gonna be... Oh, f***. Yeah, give me my popcorn while I'm at it, dude. I'm really sorry, guys. You know what? I'll just skip to it and past them, so you guys don't have to wait. My favorite road. In the dust now, boy. Let's see how far we can get from him. Alright. The gravel here, fuck that, fuck dragon knee, yeah. Yes sir, good shit. 600 next year, baby, just wait on it. Just wait on it. They're gonna be like, why are two Harleys in here? Yeah. I feel like Rossi on this bitch, hear me? Oh yeah, I felt so good. I need to get that shit out. That felt great. Alright. If you guys like that little cruise, make sure to leave a thumbs up for me, please. Comment down below. And subscribe, baby. I'd appreciate it. She'd appreciate it. Alright, I wanna see where these fools are at. We could take a whole ass nap. We could take a whole ass nap. There they are. What happened? I lost you guys.
Yeah, that road was nuts for a cruise.
Wasn't that fun?
Oh yeah.
See?
Definitely get some car snakes back.
Yeah, that's what happens to me too. Let's go left. Yeah, are we headed back?
With